What is probability? What is the need of probability theory? Good evening. Today we are going to see what is meant by probability and some basic concepts of probability. So the probability arises because of the uncertain conditions existing everywhere in real life circumstances. For example, the uncertain conditions exist in these cases such as success of space mission, launching of satellite, outcome of a surgical operation, and the reaction of medicine, death, injury, disease, stock exchange index, weather condition, so failure of an instrument or tool, the accuracy of chemical or medical test, etc. Next, coming to probability theory. So coming to the basic definition of probability, it is a numerical measure of the likelihood of occurrence of an event. So it can also be defined as the measure of the degree of uncertainty associated with the random events. So based on data and information about past happenings of similar events, study, analysis, modeling influences, it helps to take decisions so that the impact of uncertainty is eliminated or minimized. So the example is that will it rain today? So that is a basic question. So the question of uncertainty. So do I want to take an umbrella with me? So that is the next question of uncertainty. Who will win the final? So which brand or which company will you choose to buy the equipment from? And or how to hire the most suitable person for a job. So these are all the basic examples. So questions arising out of uncertainty. Coming to the basic concepts of probability. So first of all, let me define what is meant by a random experiment. So it is an experiment which is repeated any number of times under the same conditions but does not give unique results. So such type of experiments are known as random experiment, and the outcomes of such random experiment are known as events. So the collection of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is known as sample space. Okay, let me explain with the help of an example. For example, you consider tossing of a coin. So what are the possible outcomes when you toss a coin? So they are head and tail. Now let me denote H for head and T for tail. So this capital S denote the sample space. So what is the definition of sample space? It is nothing but the collection of all possible outcomes of a random experiment. So my S consists of two elements. A set S is equal to H comma T. So head and tail. So these are all the possible outcomes, head and tail. So similarly, when you throw a die, so what are all the possible outcomes? The number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all the possible outcomes. So the sample space S is given by the set, which is given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, if you consider set A, which is considering the same sample space S, which is given above, if A equal to 1, 2. So what is the complementary event of A? So that is denoted by A bar, and that is equal to S minus A. So it is given by 3, 4, 5, 6. So the probability P of A is a number which measures the likelihood of an event A. So that's what we have come across now so far. And coming to some axioms of probability, so no event has probability less than 0. So probability always lies between 0 and 1, and probability of A equal to 1 if and only if the set A is equal to the sample space itself. Suppose you consider two events such that A intersection B equal to NT. So there are no common elements between the sets A and B. Then I have P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B. So the other laws of probability also comes from these axioms. Thank you.